Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Couple Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Couple Vibrator itself, in a fun purple colour. And this is a unique couples vibrator that gives you both enjoyment. It's multifunctional and can be used in many different ways. It could, for example, be used as a masturbator, or you can use the 2 pinpoints here for stimulation of the clitoris. The arms are slightly flexible and it's made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. It's very simple and easy to use. Press and hold on the top button and a light will come on. Press once more on the same button and it's on. To change the vibration settings of the pinpoint parts just here, simply click and choose your desired setting. To operate the bottom motor, press and hold on the bottom button. To turn off the couples vibrator, press and hold down on the bottom button and it's off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. Simply slide it in like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using the couples vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean it after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Couple Vibrator. If you have any other questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.